In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Netflix on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hop into a call, share your screen, include audio, and make sure your friends can watch along smoothly. First, open Discord and join a voice call. You can do this in a server voice channel or a direct message voice call, whatever you prefer. Make sure your microphone and speakers are set correctly so you can chat while you watch. If your server uses permissions, confirm you're allowed to stream in that channel. Also, for the best experience, have Netflix open in a Chrome tab before you start so it appears in the sharing options. Once you're in the voice call, look toward the bottom area of Discord for the screen icon labeled Screen or Share Your Screen. Click it to open the sharing window. In the pop-up, switch to the Chrome tab section and select the tab where Netflix is open. If you don't see it, open Netflix in Chrome and refresh the picker by closing and reopening the share window. Before you go live, turn on the option to share tab audio so everyone can hear the show or movie. You can also choose your stream resolution and frame rate here. Higher quality may require a Nitro subscription, so pick what works for you and your audience. When you're ready, click share. You'll see a small preview that confirms your stream is live. Go to your Netflix tab and play your content. Keep that tab active during the watch party to avoid confusing your viewers. If you want to pause, fast forward, or adjust subtitles or audio tracks, do it directly in the Netflix player. Everyone will see the changes in real time. To end your stream, return to Discord and click stop streaming. If your friends can't hear audio, stop sharing and start again with the audio option enabled and check your system sound settings. If they see a black screen, it's often related to hardware acceleration or DRM. Try switching the source from a single tab to an entire window, or adjust hardware acceleration in your browser or Discord settings, then restart the share. Keep in mind that streaming subscription content to others may be limited by the platform's terms, so share responsibly and only with people who are allowed to watch. That's it. Join a call, share your screen, select the Netflix tab with audio, and enjoy the watch party together. If this helped, set up your next movie night and have fun streaming.